Hello students, today we are going to start the next unit, that is computer network. This unit consists of 10 marks weightage in board examination of class 12. 10 question of 1 marks will come in the board examination. One question consisting of 4 parts based on network topology will come. So let's start the chapter with the term network. Network is interconnection of autonomous object which facilitates sharing of data and hardware resources. So a computer network is interconnection of autonomous computer and other hardware resources which facilitates sharing of data, information and other hardware resources. Some of the application of computer networks are: it facilitates easy and fast sharing of data and information. It facilitates sharing of hardware resources. It helps in e-commerce and e-bankings. It helps in scientific research, education, business and other teaching skills. It also helps in sports and other activity, and there are many other applications which you can easily write by your own. Let's start with some of the important terms related to a computer network. The first term is network file system. Network file system or NFS, network file system, is a software or a protocol which facilitates the sharing of files within a network. It's a protocol which consists of some rules and regulations which helps us to share the information among the network. For example, Windows NT. Windows NT was the operating system which helps in sharing of data and information on the Windows platform. Another term is ARPANET, 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 Advanced Research Project Agency Network. In 1969, US Department of Defense started a project known as ARPANET. The basic work of that network was to connect the computers of different universities so that they can share the information and data on some research among themselves. Later on, other networks were formed in the world, for example, National Science Foundation and other networks which interconnectedly called as Internet. So we can say that ARPANET was the building block of Internet, means first computer network was ARPANET, which laid down the foundation of Internet of today's world. Now the term Internet. Internet means it is a wide area network of computer through which we can share the data and information. It can be accessed by any person throughout the world. In the wide area network, 3 terms are generally considered, that is Internet, Intranet and Extranet. The basic difference between Internet, Intranet and Extranet is that Internet can be accessed by any person throughout the world, and Intranet is a private network of a large organization in which the people of that particular organization can access it. For example, network of banks, railways, and other organizations such as Indian military forces, large companies like Reliance, Tata, etc. They are having their own network, and the network of such large organization and the particular companies can be accessed by the people of that particular organization. So, a wide area network of a particular organization which can be accessed by the people of that particular organization forms intranet. Now, the extranet is also a wide area network of a particular organization, but the people other than belonging to that particular organization can also access it. For example, net banking. Banks provide a facility of internet banking to their customers, but the customer which are having the right to access with the help of username and password can access their network. So the three terms are there: internet, intranet and extranet. Both the threes are wide area network. The basic difference between three is that internet can be accessed by any person throughout the world. Intranet can be accessed by the people of a particular organization, and the extranet is a wide area network of a particular organization in which other people which do not belong to that particular organization can also access it, but they require some permission to access the network.